Hello, my name is Brett Fugate with Fugate Drums, and we make custom instruments. And today we're going to document the process of oil quenching. We're building a particular custom instrument that requires some steel to be hardened, and that's what we're going to document. And I'm going to turn it over to the shop foreman, Chris Arnold, who has studied blacksmithing, and he's going to go into more detail about the process we're going to use today and what we're going to do to the metal.
Well, this is 01 tool steel that Brett alluded to that we're going to turn into the hardened part. It's right now a perlite grain structure which is soft, which allows it to be machinable. We're going to heat it up cherry red somewhere around 1500 degrees, and we're going to quench it in some reused motor oil that we have. And once it's done, it'll be glass hard. The problem with that is that if it gets dropped, it's liable to break or shatter. So then we'll heat it back up somewhere around 300 to 400 degrees and temper it. And we'll see a straw color on here, and then we'll quench that again. That'll make the material tough. It'll be somewhere in the 50s Rockwell range, and it'll be durable and yet still be hard enough that it doesn't wear away during use. We're going to use this torch to heat this up to the 1500 degrees. We're going to use somewhat of a sooty flame so that the oxygen doesn't pull the carbon off the surface of the material. Anyway,
Rag. Let me get a close-up of that.
proving that it's hard. Well, it just slides across there. Just polishing so we can see the color on the steel.
Okay.
That should draw the the heat treat back so that it's not brittle hard now. Kind of hard to watch that on the camera because it's quick and it's a very subtle color. It's just barely has a straw yellow color to it. If you look closely, there's a very slight yellow color.
Can't see it.
Am I at here? If you look closely, there's a very slight yellow color on that diameter there. That's designating that we've drawn it back.
This is one of the many capabilities that we have in-house. Thanks for watching.